Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Mother Teacher. There are two ways of writing. One is script writing and other is cursive writing. In this video, we will learn dot patterns and letter formation in script writing. For cursive writing, I will share a separate video in coming days. So, let's start with letter A in script writing. First of all, we'll make small a like this. I will show you step by step formation. This is step 2. For dot pattern, we'll make two dots in middle line and then curve and then standing line and small curve like this. So this is step 1 and this is step 2. For B, we'll make standing line and curve. For dot pattern, mark three dots and then standing line. This is step 1 and curve. This is step 2. Mark left curve. For C, mark two dots in middle line. This is C. It will become in one step. Next is D. For D, mark three dots like this and you can mark one dot in left direction like this. For B, you can mark in right direction. So this is step 1 and this is step 2. Like this will form other letters as well. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, next is Q, R, S, T, next is U, V, W, X, next is Y, and the last is Z. This is how we will form all the letters in step-by-step process and in dot pattern. If you like my video, then please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more updates. Press the bell icons for latest updates. Thank you.